Hello, fams. How are you all doing? Hope you are good. Today is the day one or the first day of our challenge, our weight loss challenge. I hope you have taken your warm water and remember 3 days detox stage or detox phase. No cooked food is allowed. Only fruits and vegetables. It's not going to be easy, but determination is the key. Just make up your mind that you want to do this, you want to look fit, and you want to lose weight. Then you will see it happen. So this morning I want to go for my workout within my compound. I'll be posting the workouts that we'll be doing. So after the workout, remember your meal time, your detox water time. Please abide by the rules, okay? And don't go and fill your plate with vegetables or with fruit because I said it's fruit and vegetable. Please just eat moderately, please.
For the first workout section, we have two options for you to choose. First, either you start with a 45 minutes walk, which is approximately 7,000 steps counts, if I'm not mistaken. You can choose to make it a fast walk or a normal walk, but try to walk with your timer in order to time yourself. If you can't go for a walk, then here is the second option. The second option, which is jump rope workout or skipping, as we normally call it in Nigeria, using the skipping rope. Do a 200 to 250 counts, but you can also choose to do more depending on your strength. Before we move to the second workout section,
fams, we are done for today. I hope you enjoyed today's workout. Remember, today is just the day one, the first day. So please abide by the rules. Be positive. It's just 30 days. We'll be done. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful and interesting, kindly click the like button, drop your comments in the comment section, share with your family and friends. You can still bring them in. It's not late. We are just starting today. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more juicy videos on my 30 days workouts challenge. So fans, see you tomorrow. Don't miss any day. If you can't do the workout in the morning, please endeavor to do it in the evening. Don't miss any of the workouts. Please, I beg you. Either you do it in the morning or you do it in the evening. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.